Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter, at the workbench with the question of the day. How can a plane even do what it does? I may extend a longer version of this question using the Tay Tools 5.5, but I just wanted to do a real quickie here. If your plane is flat, okay, and if you stick your blade out some thickness, half a thousandth, 1,000th, 2, 3, 4,000th, aren't you effectively creating a teeter-totter, a pivoting point? Aren't you effectively, see, you're spinning on that blade where it's making contact with the wood. So how can a plane straighten flat? Answer me that one. I want to hear what you think, because it's not the same as a machine jointer. Like, subscribe, and share. Head out to your workshop and go make some shavings, but I'm looking forward to hearing what you think in the comments section. I know what I know, but it shouldn't work. The hand plane is the most imperfect perfect tool. Go out to your shop, go make some shavings. Walter out.